Mom, I'm so excited. This is my first flight. I can't wait to get on the plane.
I know, Emily. First, we need to check in our bags and get our boarding passes.
What's the check-in counter for?
That's where we drop off our luggage and confirm our flight.
Good afternoon. May I see your tickets and passports, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in today?
Just one suitcase.
Could you please place it on the scale?
Of course.
Great. Your bag is within the weight limit. How many carry-on bags are you bringing?
Just one for my daughter and one for me.
Perfect. Here are your boarding passes. You'll be departing from gate A12 at 11:30.
Thank you.
Now we need to go through security, Emily.
Hello, please. Place your bags on the conveyor belt and empty your pockets into the tray. Ma'am, you need to remove your coat and your belt. You need to empty your pockets and put those items in the bin as well. Do you have any liquids in your bag?
I don't.
Do you have a laptop in your bag?
I do.
I'll need you to remove it as well and place it in a bin. Please step through the scanner.
Okay.
All clear. You can collect your items now.
Mom, what's next?
We're going to gate a 12 to wait for boarding. Let's take the escalator.
Why are we walking through this tunnel?
It's the boarding bridge. It takes us directly to the plane.
Welcome aboard. Your seats are in row 15. You can store your bags in the overhead compartment.
Mom, can I sit by the window?
Sure. Let's switch seats.
Please fasten your seatbelts. The plane is about to take off.
Look, Mom, we're flying. This is amazing.
Would you like something to eat or drink?
What are the options?
We have chicken pasta or a vegetarian salad. For drinks, we have coffee, tea, or juice.
We'll have chicken pasta and 2 glasses of water, please.
I'll have juice.
This is your captain speaking. We're beginning our descent. Please fasten your seatbelts as we prepare to land.
Mom, where do we get our bags?
We need to go to baggage claim. Let's check the screen for our flight number.
Your bag will arrive on Carousel 3.
Thanks.
May I see your passport?
Here you go.
What's the purpose of your visit?
We're here for vacation.
And for how long will you be staying?
We'll be here 1 week.
And where will you be staying?
My address will be the Grand New York Hotel, 345 East 57th Street. It's in Manhattan.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks, we will.